Hey guys, welcome back to another great video. Today in this video, we'll be decorating this awesome birthday shirt. 30th birthday. Okay, and so the design we'll be using here is the Siser metal in gold. Okay, this is Siser's new metal in gold. It just breaks down the two-step process of foil into one. Alright, so we're going to head over to the weeding table and see exactly how to weed this. Alright, so we have our design cut out here. The thing to look for when you're cutting this out, because it can get a little tricky, it's not like regular easy weed. You actually have to do a test cut so you know exactly how deep your cut is. You don't want to cut through it. So when you feel the other side of this, it should be nice and smooth. Alright, if your blade was to come through, this would be a little rough. All right, so those are things to be mindful of. Those are things to be mindful of. All right, so always remember to do your test cut. Every machine is different. For mine, I have a button that just says test, and I actually set mine on the same setting as I will for glitter. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and weed this out. To do this, I actually cut my design with a weed box around, and depending on what software you use, you might be able to put the weed box on there, or else you just put it into the design. It makes it easy to center your artwork and to center your things. This thing actually weeds pretty nice, even though it's a one-step process that cut out the two-step for it that we've been doing for a while. It feels just like regular easy weed on the other side. I like it. And yeah, it just weeds out just like any easy weed would. So it's a good way to just add some shine to your design without having to use glitter. All right, four eggs that add that extra shine to it. So we're going to take out our cavities here. Okay. And again, remember, when you're using HTV, your design has to be mirrored. That means you just have to do it backwards. So when you're looking at it, it looks backwards. But this is what it will look like on the shirt. On the garment, whatever you're putting this on, this is what it will look like. Okay, so that's it. That was it weed pretty easily, so it wasn't that hard to actually weed. So now we're gonna actually move over to the heat press, and we're gonna apply this onto our garment. So today we're using a black V-neck. Okay, and the thing with V-neck, you get two pointers in one video here, because the way you line up on V-neck is not the same way you'll line up on a crew neck. So with a crew neck, you know, you can do the four-finger method. But with a V-neck, you want to be as close as possible to this V, because the garment is already dripped. So if you do the four-finger here, your design is going to be all the way down here. It's going to be too low. All right. So we're going to do our pre-press just to get all the moistures out of there, or all the lens, anything that's in there that don't belong. I'm going to do a quick 4 to 5 seconds pre-press here, and that's cool. Okay, so the next thing, we're going to try to find our center of this design, of this garment. Try to find the center of the garment, and to do that, what I do, I like to fold it in half. All right, so another tip, fold it in half, and then press it. Make sure it's nice and centered, nice and straight. And when you press that, it leaves a crease. Okay, it leaves a crease right through the shirt where you can actually see the center line there. Okay, and we're going to line that up. Make sure your garment is straight. Make sure the V is actually off of the shirt. All right, so you get even pressure. Okay. And we're actually going to do the same thing for our design. You see, we got the weed box here. We're going to fold that in half from corner to corner. Okay, So that way we have a mark to go by. We'll add this center here with this center on here. Okay? So I'm actually gonna pull it off a little bit just so I can see where my line is on here. Look like we're right here. As you can see, I'm about 1 inch down from that, maybe like 1 finger. Okay, and our heat press is set for 305, and we're gonna press this for 10 seconds. Okay, so our heat press is set for 305. We're gonna press this for 10 to 15 seconds here. I'm gonna put a Teflon sheet here, but you actually don't need a Teflon sheet because you got this cover, the backing here, but just for safety. Okay, now that it's up, this is actually a cold peel, so we're gonna put it to the side, let it cool down for a little bit, and we'll bring it back and peel it off. Okay, so our design should be pretty cool right about now, and we're gonna peel this off. Sometimes you just gotta be a little careful here because it's cold peel. Usually if it's cold peel, it'll be a little fight for it to come off at start. Okay, so comment down below, let me know if you've ever used Siser metal and how did you like it. All right, I'm actually gonna do another press just to get that shine, because when you use your Teflon sheet, every time you use like the vinyl that's like shiny, like a vinyl like this, it adds that texture and that shine to it. So we're gonna do a couple seconds with the Teflon sheet on top of that just to get that effect, that shiny, that shine effect, you know? All right. Now remember now, don't forget to subscribe and like this video and leave a comment below. Let me know what type of videos you want to see, what type of vinyl you want to know about. But yeah, you get that shine. See that shine? Nice and shining there. It looks like flat glitter, but it's actually that Siser metal. I'm actually in love with this metal here. It just takes that two-step process and break it down into one. All right. Hey guys, so if you like this video, don't forget to hit the thumbs up. Subscribe while you're at it. And if you want to get notified when we do videos all the time, just hit the bell button there. Leave a comment down below. Let us know how you use Siser metal. All right? See ya.